Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Physics Past Question 35. A cell of EMF 12 volts and internal resistance 4 ohms is connected to an external resistor of resistance 2 ohms. Find the current flow. A. 4 amps, B. 2 amps, C. 3 amps, D. 5 amps. So we are given EMF and internal and external resistance. Okay, so this is the internal resistance and then it was connected to an external resistor. So let's call the internal resistor R.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then small r is called external resistor small r. So let's call our E as the EMF. Okay, so we're looking for the current flow, which is I. Now using Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. In this case, our V is our EMF, which is E, so E is equal to IR. Okay, so that means I is equal to E over R. Now notice that we are working with two resistors, the internal and external resistors, so our I will be equal to E plus R plus the small r. Okay, so let's substitute our values. 12 over 4 plus 2, which is equal to 12 over 6, and that is 2 amperes, and 2 amperes is option B, which is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.